Hello everyone, in this video we are going to attempt some exercises of nouns. Let's start. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and name their kinds. Okay? These are sentences. Okay? You have to underline the nouns in these sentences and write their kinds. Like the Ramayana is a sacred book. Okay? And one thing we should take care that it may be that there are 2-3 nouns in a sentence, but we'll take a particular noun. Suppose if we take proper, then proper noun only. Okay? If we take common, then common noun only. Okay? So that it would be easy to classify them. Let's start. The Ramayana is a sacred book. So Ramayana, and this is your proper noun. The young boy runs very fast. Boy. And this is your common noun. Mathematics is a subject, name of a subject, so it's proper noun. This hospital treats patient very well. Here, hospital and patients. Okay? These two are common nouns because we are not talking about any particular hospital. General hospital means any hospital. Patients. Okay? Patient. So, it is your common noun. She named her pet as Winnie. Winnie, a common noun. Okay? She has named her pet as Winnie. As you are named like Sohan, like Jennifer. Okay? Like David. कुछ भी नाम आपका होगा. Likewise, she named her pet Winnie. So, Winnie is your proper noun. Our team. Team means a group of players. So, collective noun. It's my duty to work hard in studies. It's my duty. Okay? Duty is your abstract noun and studies also. Birbal was known for his wisdom. Wisdom is your abstract noun because we cannot see or touch wisdom, but we can feel only. Duty, we cannot touch or see, but feel only. Studies, same thing. I purchased a gold ring. Here, gold is your material noun because ring is made of gold. This is a building of marble. Here, marble is your material noun. Okay, Mr. Sharma has a library at home. Library, a collection of books. Okay, so first proper, second common, because we are talking about boy. We are not taking a name of any boy. Okay, it's a boy denotes all the boys. That's why the word boy is common noun. Mathematics proper, hospital and patient common, Winnie proper, team, collective, duty, and studies. Abstract noun, wisdom abstract, gold and marble. Material noun and library, collective noun. Let's see their answers. Same, Ramayana, proper noun. Boy, common noun. Yes, as we discussed. Mathematics, proper noun. Hospital and patients, common noun. Winnie, proper noun. Team, collective noun. A group of players. Duty and studies, abstract noun. Wisdom, abstract noun. Gold, material noun. Marble, material noun. Mr. Sharma has a library, collective nouns. Okay, so as I told you in very beginning that we'll take only one type of noun. Here you can say Birbal and wisdom. Birbal and wisdom, two types of noun, but we have taken only wisdom. Okay, and there are other examples of this thing also. So in a sentence, one type of noun. Okay, next exercise, match the column A with the column B of collective nouns. Yes, column A and column B, you have to match them. A band of what? Musician. A band of musician. A flight of stairs. Okay, a bench of judges. A heap of stones. Okay, a pack of cards. A choir of singers. A bouquet of flowers. A fleet of ships. Okay, I hope you have understood. I repeat, a band of musician. Okay, a flight of stairs. A flight of stairs means you have seen in pictures or anywhere else that stairs go upward. Okay, ऐसे राउंड में होते हुए वो सीढ़ी ऊपर को चली जाती है. ठीक है, तो इट इज फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयर्स. ओके, बेंच ऑफ जजेस, यू हैव हर्ड. हीप ऑफ स्टोन्स, पत्थरों को एक जो है इकट्ठा होना. अ पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स, यस. क्वायर ऑफ सिंगर्स. बुके, जिसको आप गुलदस्ता बोलते हैं. बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, आपने देखा होगा ये इन दिस पिक्चर. यू कैन सी दिस इज योर बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स अपर साइड में. ठीक है, एंड अ फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स. शिप्स जहाँ इकट्ठा होते हैं, ढेर सारे शिप्स होते हैं, उन्हें फ्लीट बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड इन दिस लोअर पिक्चर यू कैन सी a band of musicians. They are musicians. Okay, next, make abstract noun from the words given in brackets and fill in the blanks. Why are you laughing at his? So this is poor. You have to change in your abstract noun. So poverty. Wise, wisdom. Is the soul of wit. Brief, briefness या brevity. Comes to everyone someday or the other. Dead, तो इसका डेथ हो जाएगा. डेथ कम्स टू एवरीवन समडे और द अदर, यानी मौत सबको आती है किसी दिन या किसी दूसरे दिन. एक दिन या किसी दूसरे दिन मौत तो सबको आनी है. अ चाइल्ड्स फर्स्ट क्वालिटी इज ओबे, सो ओबीडियंस. ओके, नेचर टीचेज अस जनरोसिटी. जनरोसिटी. द इंडियन आर्मी इज नोन फॉर इट्स ब्रेव, सो ब्रेवरी. यू कैन से हियर ब्रेव, bravery. Grammar aims at correct, so correctness. Let's see answers. Yes. Why are you laughing at poverty? Wisdom comes with age, यानी उम्र के साथ अक्ल आती है, चालाकी आती है, समझ आती है. इज़ द सोल ऑफ ब्रीफनेस मीन्स किसी चीज़ को आप जितने कम में छोटे में अच्छे से बोल लोगे वही आपकी समझदारी है, विद चालाकी है. कम्स टू एवरीवन समडे और द अदर, तो डेड से हमने डेथ बनाया. ठीक है, ब्रीफ से ब्रीफनेस, वाइज से विजडम, पुअर से पॉवर्टी. अ चाइल्ड फर्स्ट क्वालिटी इज ओबीडियंस, सो ओबे से ओबीडियंस मैंने बनाया. ठीक है. नेचर टीचेस अस जनरोसिटी, यस, हमें नेचर जनरोसिटी सिखाती है. द इंडियन आर्मी इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स ब्रेवरी, इंडियन आर्मी अपनी बहादुरी के लिए जानी जाती है. ग्रामर एम्स एट करेक्टनेस, ठीक है, ग्रामर का क्या उद्देश्य होता है कि आप सही करो, गलतियाँ ना हो। ओके, सो I hope you have understood the points and you have understood the concepts also. That's all for today. Thank you.